Hi everybody, my name is RJ Rogers. If you're watching this, you're probably considering coming to Furman. Let's check out what living here is like. First up, South Housing, better known as Soho. So South Housing is home to most freshmen. South Housing is located in a convenient space, just right next to the science libraries, the main library, as well as the athletic facilities. Physical activity center is right next to South Housing. So before you get here, you're gonna answer a 40 questionnaire. Questions may be, do you like the room hot or cold? Are you up at most nights? Are you an early riser? Do you like having friends over? Are you tidy or messy? Whatever the case may be, I recommend that you answer honestly. What's it like to have a roommate? The idea may be a little intimidating at first. However, it's one of the best ways to get to know new people and also get accustomed to campus. I recommend that you trust Furman. Furman really knows what they're doing to make the best of your freshman year. Each room comes equipped with 2 beds, 2 desks, 2 chairs, 2 dressers, and 1 micro fridge. On each residence hall, there's also a RA, or resident assistant. I currently serve as the RA on my floor, and I love working with my folks. It's a great experience, it's a great opportunity to get them connected to campus resources and also create community on the floor. So it's my role to create community. I love it, and each student is entitled to this experience here on Furman's campus.
Hey, I'm Kendall.
And I'm Charlotte.
Welcome to Lakeside. We love Lakeside. It's so much fun. It's 10 halls, majority sophomores, both Greek and non-Greek.
And we love how all the halls are connected so you can easily access any of your friends' rooms, and it just feels like such a good community.
Sophomore year is great because you already know who you want to live with, you're closer to deciding your major, and you're immersed in the community. You just really have gotten to know, your closest friends. It's just a lot of fun. I love that each hall has its own small lounge because I know late at night there'll always be someone in there studying, doing homework. Really just makes the community feel even smaller, and I always feel like I have someone I can hang out with.
Yeah, and I also love the lounge downstairs, which all of Lakeside shares. It's really nice to study there, even just hang out.
Each room comes with 2 beds, 2 desks, 2 chairs, 2 dressers, 2 wardrobes, and 1 micro fridge. There's a few things you don't want to forget at home. Lysol,
Emergency,
Band-Aids,
stain remover,
laundry detergent,
dryer sheets,
command hooks, and command strips.
pictures from home.
I'm Sarah. And I'm Lauren. And this is North Village. Living in North Village, we're only a short walk away from the heart of campus, or it's about a 5-minute bike ride, which we both love to do. So Sarah and I lived on the same freshman hall, and although we didn't know each other at first, we became instant friends. And we started getting involved in some similar things around campus, and we actually had the privilege of studying abroad last semester in Copenhagen, and now we live together. Living in North Village is so much fun because you get a taste of independent living, but you're still really plugged in around campus. You live within close proximity of all of your friends, so it's really easy to go to the dining hall and get a meal or hang out in the Trone Student Center. All North Village apartments have space for 4 roommates, a common area in the middle, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms. Each student has a full-size bed, a bureau, a desk, and a closet. All apartment living areas come with a couch, a chair, and 4 bar stools. In the North Village apartments, each apartment has an outdoor area. On the first floor, it's a patio, and on the second and third floor, it's a balcony.
So now that you've seen some housing options, go check them out. If you have any questions, your nearest Furman representative will be happy to help. Go Dens!